Hey designers, in this video, we are going to create a 3D isometric text. So, let's get started. Start by taking a new composition and then take a text tool and write your text here. Now write another text. Another layer of text, and let's write reach, and on the next line let's write goals. Let's adjust the position of these texts. First, let's change the color of this grow text. Also, change the goals text color to this orange color as well. We are going to move the anchor point of each of these text layers to the point where it is meeting the text which is near to it. So first of all, select this grow text layer and move the anchor point tool to move its anchor point to this right center. Now select this skills text layer and move its anchor point to the left center. Now select the reach goals layer. First of all, adjust its position if needed. After adjusting the position, move its anchor point to the top center. We want the grow text to be equal to the reach goals, so let's increase the text size a bit. Now adjust its position. Adjust the anchor point so that it isn't moved. Select all the text layers and make them 3D. If you are unable to see the 3D text option here, click in the bottom left. You will have an icon called Expand or Collapse the panel. Now, make all of these layers 3D. We will select these text layers and adjust their positions accordingly. First of all, we have the grow text layer. We won't be doing anything to it. So, let's move to the second text layer, which is skills. Press R for rotation and let's make its Y rotation -90 degrees. Select this reach goals text layer. Press R for rotation and make its X rotation 90. Now we will create a new null layer. So, go to Layer, New, and Null Object. Move this null layer like this and move its anchor point here at the bottom. Select all the other layers and parent them to the null layer like this. Make the null layer 3D as well, and now press R for rotation for the null layer. And let's adjust the orientation X, Y, and Z values. These settings are up to you. You can change them, arrange them according to how you like this to be. Or you can copy my settings as well. After the orientation is adjusted, click on the stopwatch near the orientation. Also, click on the stopwatch near the Z rotation and adjust the Z rotation value. I'll make it -1. Move the bar indicator to the 10-second frame and let's change the orientation and Z rotation values. These settings are totally up to you, how you want them to move. And let's adjust the Z rotation as well. And you are done. Let's see the animation. Okay, cool. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.